Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to a detailed analysis of a stock which is going at a very rapid rate as this whole sector is going, because this is a futurist sector. So whenever we talk about a future of a stock, so as you can see that this future of this sector is going to be a very optimistic and opportunistic, as each and every company is going to, as you recently heard that Reliance is coming, Adani is also coming, Tata is also coming. So each and every company is trying to enter into this sector. So this company is already has built some position in this sector, although this company, as you can see that, is having only market capital of 3000 crore. Still this company is carrying not that high value of only 25 PE, so that this stock has enormous growth opportunity in near term and as well as in long term, as this is a growing and rising sector. As you seen, this is not only a multi-bagger stock, and it also has potential to become 30,000 crore company or 3 lakh crore company if company will perform accordingly the stock has given in previous performance. So this will be a great opportunistic moment to invest in this stock. So this stock is KPI Gain Energy, as we will do in this video all the detailed fundamental analysis. So let's go. So before moving into video, let me give you a quick disclaimer that I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor or research analyst. The content posted on this platform is purely for educational purposes and none of it constitute investing or trading advice. You should do your own research and diligence before investing or acting on the information. Market capital of the stock is only 3,100 crore, which is not very high, as you can consider it as small cap company. So there is a possibility of becoming a mid cap company up to more than 50,000 crore market capital. So current price of this stock is around 860, book value is 76, and the interesting part is stock is carrying only PE of 25. Peer comparison, the recent listed Orina Power company, which is recently IPO launched of this company, which is Orina Power company, is market capital of around 652, which is not that very high. As you can see that the PE is 58 of Orina Power, and KPI Green Energy carrying PE of 25, which is almost half. So there are possibility of further movement in stock as the PE ratio will rise, the stock performance will rise, as stock price is depend upon the PE ratio and EPS ratio. Quarterly performance of the stock has rise from 17 crore revenue or sales to recently 189 crore sales. So almost 10x jump in sales revenue in just the span of 3 years. And if you will see that profit before tax is also rise from 0 to 41, and net profit from -1 to around 33. So which is showing that the company has a lot profit potential. As you can see that the stock is not only giving high and up down profit, it has showing consistent profit growth. As you can see, there is 1 17 18 13 10 22. So the stock is going consistent profit growth. So see that last 4 to 5 year annual profitability growth of this company, profit and loss statement, you will notice that company has rise from 34 crore annual profit to trailing 12 month of 711 crore, which is almost 20 times. And on the other hand, if you'll see that profit has also increased from 13 crore to almost 157 crore, which is more than 10% jump in profitability just the span of only 4 years, from 2009 to 2023, which is fabulous growth. And EPS accordingly rise from 2 rupees 2 to almost 33. Now if we will see that ratio of compounded growth of the risk company, here you will notice that in 3 years company has compounded of 122 124%, and compounded profit growth also 157 in 3 years, and trailing 12 month 110%, and CAGR of stock, which is in 3 years 192%, and in last year it has given 88%, and return on equity also maintained consistently, and last year also increased to 53%, which is fabulous growth. In balance sheet, you will notice that the company is carrying such high amount of debt. That is why there is borrowings increased and liabilities also increased. Current liabilities and borrowings also increased from 40 to almost around 676. And the asset side, if you will notice that total assets also increased. So because this is an infrastructure company, it needs funds to further move and make expansion. That is why this stock has taken slight borrowing. And on the other hand, important thing here in this video is this part, because this is the catch where you should notice that the promoter holding was only 51 in March 2020. Now this is at 54.81. If you notice that promoters are consistently adding, consistently 54, 54.81, 54.81, 51 to 54.81, which is almost 3% increase in promoter holding just 3 years, which is showing that promoters, which are the real owners of the company, having a lot and lot interest, because they are showing that the company growth and they expect that company will further move. Accordingly, their value of holding, shareholding is also move. And on the other hand, if you'll see that FII, foreign institutional investor, are buying 2.77 to 3.26, then slightly reduced to 2.49. Recently they bought up to 3.48. In the recent past, DI also increased a slight amount of 0.06, which is showing that DI and FII are interesting in this stock. So public holding is reducing from 48 to 41, which is a good sign for this company. So as I mentioned earlier, that the stock has given more than 100% of compounded growth rate in profitability and in revenue. Accordingly, if compounded growth rate is 100%, so the stock will also move around. As you've seen that in recent 1 year, the company stock performance is 88%. So high because of this revenue profitability performance and revenue performance. Accordingly, the stock has given run up. So is there any further possibility? Yes, there are further possibility. As you see that the stock is consolidated sometimes, and who those have hold it for patiently now increased recently of 70 to 80%. That is the beauty of share market, where patience is a game and you have to play this and to have to stay this for whole and long time period. Accordingly, you will make good return. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts or queries, you can ask on comment section.